Hello, my name is Luis Klaus and this is Capstone for CS50 Web. For this implementation, I introduce you to CellarClub, a complete wine-cellar-manager web application made with Python and JavaScript where users are able to easily create and maintain a collection from a more than 100,000 items native database. Unauthenticated users are directed to a landing page where they can follow links to register or sign in. In our case, we are going to sign in to a user I have previously created for this demonstration. After authentication, we are taken to the home page from where we can perform searches and add items or reviews to the collection. Check our inventory statistics and follow links to the other views. CellarClub has a completely responsive UI, added to improve the experience among multiple devices, including web and mobile. A dark mode theme selector is also available to make usage more comfortable in dark environments. The search bar is present throughout the app. Here in home page, its role is to search for wines to be added to the collection or to be reviewed. So, let's search for Caymus, which is a top-tier Napa Valley Cabernet. Let's select it, and now we can write a tasting review for this item or add it to our collection. To do that, we can enter some specific information on the bottle like vintage, size, quantity, unit cost, location including cellar or fridge and bin, store, date, and a personal note. And to confirm, we press the Submit button. Next, we are taken to the collection page, where you can see by default the most recently added items, including the one we have just added. Click the Sort By menu to change the list in order, or use the search bar to locate specific items. Additionally, every item is clickable, so we can open its profile just by clicking on it. In this page, we have access to the bottle complete profile, including all provided metadata plus the information we entered ourselves. Other than that, we also have the ability to favorite, drink, or remove the bottle. So, let's open the drink bottle view. Here, we can provide a private note, drinking date, and register if any money was gathered. We also have the option to add a review. For that, we set the privacy status, select a like-dislike feedback, set a score, and write a tasting note. And this time, when Submit is pressed, the consumption is added and we are taken to the memories page. Again, by default, memories are also shown from the most recent. For each item, we can quickly reference the reason of removal, the date the bottle was consumed, and these icons represent whether the item has a private note, has gathered any money, or has a review. Clicking on the item, we will access the memory page, where we can see the complete profile and have the ability to unconsume the bottle, return it to collection, and access its review if there is one. Alternatively, we have the reviews page, where we can search for reviews and access any of them straight from here. Besides, we can quickly reference review score, tasting date, and these icons represent whether the review is public or private, like-dislike feedback, whether it has a tasting note, and whether the bottle was from collection or not. Once again, clicking on the item, we will access the review page, where we can see the complete profile and have the ability to toggle public-private status, delete the review, and recollect bottle complete information. The last page I want to show is community page. Here we can have a glance of community members' public reviews, gathering information on date of review, member name, like-unlike feedback, the given score, and the taste note when available. And this was CellarClub, CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript Final Project. I hope you have enjoyed.